this vlog. We are at Edinburgh Airport. We're late. Doing really well this morning. Both just finished night shift. Packed ready, about to drop the case off and go for some breakfast. This is what I have to deal with the entire trip. I'm second to the phone. Hi Gav.
Ray-Bans. Shiny Ray-Bans.
Shiny Ray-Bans. We're not even there yet. I spent money. Oh, they are shiny Ray-Bans. Waiting for you to model them.
Oh, sorry.
Very nice. Oh, you can see me in them. Hello. Brown Witherspoons. Can't break a tradition. Waiting for our food with our new set. I've got two pairs. I got a Ralph Lauren pair, and I also got a new pair of Ray-Bans, which I will show you guys. I'm already down to half of it.
Just tell your viewers that.
It's good. Lovely. Do with the food though. Starving.
Well, the food will eventually arrive.
I know, I'm excited.
Patience is a virtue.
You got a burger?
A burger.
I got veggie breakfast, even though it's like 1:45.
You know what? All day breakfast works all day.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Exactly what.
We'll go to the gate and look at the plane.
Hopefully. With queues these days, we'll never know.
It was breakfast slash lunch.
Breakfast slash lunch was alright. Took a sweet time getting into us, but...
Oh my god, I know. I'm so full now.
Remaining passengers.
So now we're on the way to it. We're going to guess what gate we're going to because it's not open yet.
I'm going to guess it's gate
We need to go in the walkie.
Oh yeah, don't use my legs. I don't know what commentary to put in, so I'll just give you a wee song. I'm on my way from misery to happiness to be. Aha.
Uh-huh.
Aha.
Uh-huh. They're going to Madrid. Have a nice time. The nap time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel so. I feel like coming straight off a night shift and going on holiday was not the best laid out plan we've ever done, but...
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're fine, you slept for 7 hours. I'm miserable. So I need to be calling that.
Yeah, I was so confident we were flying from gate 20 something that we walked all the way there. Just got the confirmation it's gate number 2. That is the other end of the airport. One tour of Edinburgh Airport later.
Great job.
We've got to the right gate.
So every time they fly from gate 24, every day they're flying from gate 2, which is the other end of the airport. Who knew?
Yeah, 3 times we've been before. It's been gate 20 something. Not today. Not today.
Not today yet. So not only did I have to get here an hour earlier than normal.
Yeah, 3 hours
we switched
before.
the gate. I corrected myself before you had to edit my
You
video.
were about to put a beep in there. Can you just
Yes.
replace every word with a beep and that's fine?
No, because I walk a little beep in every 3 seconds. So I'll just attempt to correct myself.
Children
towards
watch
it.
these videos, thank you.
Well, apparently so.
Hello, we last left you when we were in our transfer, which didn't go well. Took us to the wrong hotel twice, and anyway, just won't be booking with that company again. So we found the shopping centre, the local Primark.
Yes.
Bought some grub for the room, and now got changed. My outfit plan's already changed. I'm no longer in the dress I was going to wear because it's too hot.
Yes.
So we're on our way to the park, well not to the park, so we're going to Disney Village for dinner, and then I'll be home to bed. So we'll see what's the shortest queue. Maybe Rainforest, that's a fave of ours, or...
I don't know, there's much else, to be perfectly honest.
No, there's Rainforest, there's the sports bar. That's pretty much it. McDonald's at this rate.
No. I'm not going all the way to Paris to go to McDonald's.
So, we'll keep you updated. We'll just see how long the walk is for tomorrow. I've got to show off my ears. Oh, that sun is bright. Of course, all my ears this trip are made by the magical mum. I'll pop her details below. But this is her rose gold glitter pair. These are actually mine. I have these are my own pair because I love rose gold. So, pair number 1 of how many have I brought with me? 7 or 8 pairs.
And here we see the lesser known Isla in her natural habitat. Very, very happy.
So after quite a disappointing start to our holiday, I'm going to do a little bit of retail therapy because I forgot we can get into World of Disney without park admission, and then we're going to go for food. This island needs a new lounge line. Right?
Right.
Right?
Of course. Why wouldn't you need a new lounge fly?
I bought one this morning, but I need another one. Oh, I'm so excited to see all the 30th stuff.
Need one hanging off every finger.
Oh, I'm so happy to be home. Oh, look at all, wow, look at that. Okay, so I love this. This is 40 euros, it's not bad. I love all the black and gold stuff. Might have to buy a hoodie. This one.
Oh, yeah.
So pretty. This is all new. We didn't have these before. Little figurines.
So what'd you buy, Ella?
Well, more what did Gav grab out of an Our Lady's arms almost, because I spotted it.
You know, not fast you'll last.
We go to lounge. I'm so happy.
Has it improved your day?
Yes.
Sorry, my bad camera work. Sorry guys, I will improve.
So it's not the lounge flight, you need to be up here. So it's not actually the lounge flight that I went for. I'll get that tomorrow. So I actually bought 2 today because I pre-ordered the bridal sequin one this morning before I got on the plane, and then I saw 2 of these in the World of Disney shop. Other lady was like, had 2 in her hands. I'm like, oh no, you put one of them back.
Send Gavin.
Sent Gavin, he grabbed one. I'm so happy.
Makes me sound like a bad person that I've just ripped out her arms, but
No.
she didn't need to.
She didn't need 2, because she was only going to go and sell one on for way more than like she should have. So now we're going for dinner now that my retail therapy is improved.
Be another Disney store probably, because it's absolutely ho-chin still. So, you know.
Want to go through this one?
Yeah.
I'll just be at the soft toy section if anybody needs me. It's a little busy in here. Just a tad.
Aye, ho-chin. Imagine what the parks are like right now.
Oh, see what? Like, baby Pegasus needs to come home. Take me home,
Yeah,
Daddy. Oh, with his little blankie on.
Yeah.
Oh, how much are you, Mr. Baby Pegasus?
€6.
Lower.
28.
It's not focusing, so I can't tell you. Lower.
24.
$25.99.
Wow.
Look at flounder! Found the pins. Oh. Okay, so I might have to get these. I might have to get these ones. Look. We've opted for the Rainforest Cafe because it's our favourite. We're just in the queue now. Quite busy.
I don't know, it's kind of hard to judge.
I've not been up this end before. We're up with the gorillas. They move every now and then. Gav and his date.
Aye, my date's lovely. She's happy bunny.
What did you order?
A pasta Lea, which I think is shrimp, Cajun sausage, chicken, and some sort of spicy tomato sauce.
Nice. Both of us have really sore heads. We're tired. We're getting a little grumpy. But there's no grumpiness in Disney.
No, because you got your new toy.
So yeah, we're waiting for food. We're just gonna have a main course, some water, and head back for
All the water.
yeah, all the water, so dehydrated. And head back for bed, I think.
Yes.
So we can have a really good fresh day tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a long day. We're up for extra magic hours, and then we've got dinner reservations at 9 o'clock. So it's gonna be a long day.
Yes, it's going to be a very long day.
Oh yes. That is a pasta portion. Is yours spicy?
No, it's not too bad.
Mine are tasty. Nom nom nom. Well guys, we had dinner. I've got a migraine coming on, so I can't wait to go home to bed. Have a good Disney day tomorrow. Did you enjoy dinner?
I did. Dinner was really good.
Yeah.
Shame not to just have a very, very good dinner.
Yeah, we ate.
It's always tomorrow.
Ate and run.
Yeah.
Ate and ran. Because we're both tired. It's been a day. But good little, you know, neb round the shops.
Yeah, I'm bringing up your spirits a bit. Just get back into the good end to the not a great travel day.
I will do a little room tour and stuff probably tomorrow because I think we just both need to go home and collapse into bed. So we'll sign off here and we'll see you guys at the next vlog tomorrow morning. We are hoping to use our extra magic hours and see what we can do. And then we've got dinner reservations at the yacht club tomorrow night and of course tomorrow is more importantly
My birthday.
Gav's birthday!
Yay.
So
6 years young.
plus 10.
Plus 10.
So yeah, tomorrow will be Gav's birthday day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for the next Disneyland Paris videos and we will see you guys next time. Do you want to do the outro?
What is the outro?
You gotta wave and then put your hand to the camera.
Where's the...
Wave, put your hand to the camera.